Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero. And first of all, sorry for my voice. I've lost it for a couple weeks now. But I want to show you this sub pump here. So this sub pump was installed before we got here. I'm doing a inspection in this house in Ocean City. And the first thing that I've noticed with the sub pump is there's no stone aggregate around here to filter all the water or the filter the dirt from migrating into the sub pump. So that is a big no-no. Now, luckily, this one did have a lid on there. Not a perfectly sealed one, but at least it had something. So that's not too bad. But the other big issue, I'm not sure if you can see this. If I should flip the camera around, let me do that. I'm going to flip the camera around. Okay, so there is supposed to be perforated holes all the way around this basin that allow the water to actually get into the basin so the sub pump actually works. Now, there's a little bit of water in there, but that's only when there's so much water that comes through here that it actually goes over the top and into that. It doesn't actually make it into there because it's solid plastic all the way around. So this is why you don't want to just have anybody install your sub pump. Most people just don't understand the most basic things of how a sub pump and basin should be installed so the water can actually make it to the sub pump and then be pumped out. So there's a little tiny trench for the water that's coming in to try to get here, but not much really happens unless there's a major flood. So this entire install will have to be pulled out and all this changed out. So that's kind of money wasted. So you don't want to do that. So if you're looking to have waterproofing done in your crawl space or a sub pump installed, call Hydro Hero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks.